Now, personal income tax being that, I think a lot of people don't know that based on existing law and the intent of the law and the lettering of the law, even as an individual that you are working in an organization, when your employer has filed your returns for you, you as an individual too, you are supposed to go and file your return. Your employer return, which is what your employer should do for you, is due on or before 31st of January every year. While your personal return is due on or before what? 31st of March every year. Now, I work in an organization, which you already know, right? But what I do for myself and my wife is that I file our returns, our personal return. That was where I made mention that pastor, even though he's running a business name, will file returns for himself and declare that he earned, even though he's working in an organization and he earned additional return, rental income, he will go to the tax authority and say that, and declare to them that I earned an additional income. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Now, after that, as an organization, as an individual, I'm supposed to also file my personal income tax return. Now, why this? A lot of people don't do it in Nigeria because when your employer file your returns, you feel like, oh, they have filed your returns. But what Lagos State Internal Revenue Service does is that if you have not filed your return consistently, your personal return consistently for 3 years, you may not be able to obtain your tax clearance certificate. Do you get what I'm trying to say? You may not. And that is the reason, as an individual, it's also good to file your return, because that is what the law says.